If your Facebook profile lock option is not showing, and don't worry, this is a common issue and you can fix it quickly. First, open your Facebook app and go to Menu. Then go to Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Profile and Tagging. Here, find the option Who Can Post on Your Profile and make sure it is set to Friends Only. This helps secure your account, even if the lock feature is missing. Next, go back to your profile page. Tap on the three dots next to Edit Profile. From here, look for Professional Mode. If it's turned on, you need to turn it off. Tap on Turn Off Professional Mode, then click Continue and Confirm. Once you do this, refresh your profile and check again. In many cases, the Facebook Lock Profile option not showing issue gets fixed after disabling Professional Mode. And if it's still not available, you can continue using these privacy settings to keep your profile secure.